You sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Yet in the morning, your lower back feels sore. Your waist feels stiff. It hurts to bend. You feel slow and irritable. You blame traffic, heavy bags, sitting too long. Then you notice something. When you sleep elsewhere, like at a friend's house or hotel, your waist doesn't complain as much. Same hours of sleep, different surface. That tells you something important. It's not just sleep duration, it's how your body is supported. Your waist, especially the lower back, is where your spine transitions from upright support to horizontal rest. When you lie down, the spine and hips still need alignment, balance support, and even weight distribution. If your mattress is too soft, your waist sinks too much. If it's too firm, pressure builds on the hips and lower back. Both can trigger pain and reduce deep sleep. So what you need is balance support and pressure relief, not just softness. What to look for in a mattress for waist pain. 1. Proper spinal alignment. The mattress should support the natural curve of your spine so your waist doesn't bend awkwardly. 2. Pressure relief around hips. Your hips and lower back carry most of your body weight. Too much pressure here equals stiffness and pain. 3. Balanced comfort and support. A mattress that's too soft makes your waist sag. A mattress that's too firm pushes uncomfortably against you. The sweet spot is medium firm with ergonomic design. While ordinary mattresses can make waist pain worse, regular foam or cheap mattresses may sag quickly, offer uneven support, cause pressure buildup, interrupt deep sleep. Even if they feel comfortable at first, they can lead to frequent turning, muscle tension, shallow sleep, morning pain. Best types of mattresses for waist pain. Here are mattress types that help the most. 1. Memory foam mattresses. Contours to your body shape, relieves pressure around your hips, supports waist and spine alignment. Great for side sleepers, combination sleepers. 2. Orthopedic or support-focused mattresses. Designed to keep your spine neutral. Strong support for your lower back. Reduces muscle strain over time. Great for back sleepers, people with chronic waist pain. 3. Medium firm, foam, and hybrid mattresses. Offers balance between support and comfort. Good for heavier body types or mixed sleeping styles. Great for people who shift positions at night. If you're looking for mattresses that help reduce waist discomfort and improves sleep quality, Winco Orthopedic Mattress, designed to support spine alignment and reduce pressure points, ideal for back and waist discomfort. Winco Supreme Mattress balances support and cushioning for deeper sleep without pressure build-up. Everyday foam options like Winco Royale and Elegant series for balanced comfort with reliable support. Explore these at www.wincofoam.com, where you can find mattresses with pressure relief layers, spine-centered support, long durability, 14-night sleep trial, so you can test comfort in your own home before committing. Choose a firmer, support-focused mattress if you wake up with waist or lower back pain, you sleep on your back or stomach, you want deeper sleep with less tossing. Choose a balanced comfort mattress if you move positions while sleeping, you want pressure relief plus support. You sleep on your side sometimes. Firm does not mean painful, and soft does not mean comfortable for everyone. Support matters more than softness. A supportive mattress lets your body relax, not compensate. Your waist pain is not something you just have to endure. The surface you sleep on matters, your spine matters, and your rest matters. With the right mattress, you wake up refreshed. Your waist feels lighter. You sleep deeper. You face the day stronger. Visit www.wincofoam.com to explore mattress options that help reduce waist pain. Because better sleep always begins with better support. Like and subscribe for more educational sleep posts. Until next time, sleep well, live better.